Hey guys, welcome to another video with the host First, and today we are going to resume on what we started last episode. Last episode we were working on our new base. As you can see, I did some work off camera. So this I will get to momentarily. Right now we have our designated goal of trying to finish this wall, this beautiful, lovely wall in front of us, protecting us from 1,000 zombies out there, which we might not have enough resources for, but that's okay, because I have an exterior plan. An exterior plan, wow. I'm very good at, English, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't think I have enough. Oh well. Good enough. So if we look at it from the outside, which yes, I know there are... Yeah, this is what it looks like from the outside. Which I do like it. I really do. I know I didn't make the redstone marks good enough, but oh well. Oh, you decided to come for a visit. Come here. So yeah. So that's that done. So you're probably wondering what I'm going to do next. So next thing I'm planning on doing is working on the area here. See, I know there's a bit of redstone sticking out, but that's not, it won't matter here in a bit. What do I mean by that? Well, you'll see. Okay, so I don't have enough stairs for what I'm planning to do. I'm just gonna use these slabs. Eerie sounds. So yeah, so this will be the, yeah, I don't like that one bit. So let's actually move this a little bit farther. So here, so let's move this bed in here. Let's move it away from the wall. Actually, never mind. Okay, so we need to wait till night to use it. So what am I gonna do here? Well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make this layer out of dirt. This will be our little area that makes us feel like home, basically. That makes it more like the overworld. So, I am planning to go get grass, but, I am gonna have to go back to the, extreme ant farm because I believe I do have some grass blocks there from one of the dungeons we conquered. We might not have enough dirt, but oh well. This gets my point across of what I want to do. And actually, I might move the staircase because I do actually need to get to the bottom there. Like, there's an area down here I do want to access. And I don't want it blocked in. So what I'm gonna do here is move this. Once again, I'm so sorry I can't make up my mind. I know some of that redstone's showing, but oh well. Isn't much of a big deal, really. Yeah, I know, I'm not really happy of the fact that the redstone looks like that. But I think it's because of some of the redstone the map maker used, I think, which is most likely the reason why it looks like that. They just didn't want us to see it. Which is why they did that. Oh my goodness. You came. Let's get back up here. I fell. In a hole. Of course. So here I am going to make staircases going down. To wherever it needs to wherever I want it to go. So yeah, how am I going to include lighting in this, you're gonna wonder? Well, I do have another idea. Me and my ideas. Sometimes they work, other times they don't. So let's use this, and let's use this. There, beautiful. I need to get lighting over here somehow. Actually, I know what to do. So I'm actually going to do something similar here to make this look even. I don't think I'll add another ender chest though. I just want it to look a little bit even. That's all I wanted to do. I might add something else, maybe a brewing stand of some sort, but yeah. Just my main goal is to make this area look even and better than it originally was. So yeah, we have this lined up. Pretty much have everything. I would like to, yeah, I'll have to remove this above me at one point. I don't want that huge spider web hanging over me. That's a huge I don't want. Huge no-no. See, off camera, I will finish the wall here. So that's my intent to do off camera. And yeah, I have a lot of string. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you guys with the, so that area down below me, the area where all those blazes have been spawning at. So, something I wanted to tell you is, those areas are actually those are the entrances to big dungeons. There are 3 big dungeons that are located within this ant farm. And those dungeons do house special items. And that's one of the reasons why we do need this exoskeleton. That's one of the main reasons why we do need that. So yeah, let's plant our first trees actually. Okay, there's saplings. And sometime I might want to start a garden, which, yeah. I don't have the resources to start a garden right now, but that's something I will do. That's actually, I want to mark an area here to put the saplings in. Yeah, I know. I'm very picky about how I want this. So yeah, the saplings will go there. And I need to fill in that area. I did not. So yeah, actually, I might, instead of using nether brick staircases like I normally would do, let's use stone brick to preserve on nether brick. So yeah, this staircase I might not do much with. Just make it lead to an area below me. And I did not need this 3 stone at all, but whatever. We have it. Actually, I might move this. I want to make this area safe here. So what I might do is add some doors. Iron doors to be specific. Yeah, iron doors to be specific, but the iron doors might be textured now that I think about it. Depending if they updated the texture pack or not. If they did, yeah, actually if they did, oh well. The doors would still look cool either way. See, I don't have the iron doors at my use right now, but next episode, or between this episode and next episode, I am going to actually go back to the Extreme Antfarm, like I said, and bring some more resources over. I'm not going to use wooden doors because wooden doors would look a little bit too eh. Not with how this base is set up. I'm thinking to myself here. Actually, might be a good reason why I cooked this stone. Can I use? No, I can't turn this into buttons. I can turn to everything else that's stone brick. Just, oh wow, and I forgot the stairs. I want to fill up this. I want to get at least 20 minutes of action in this episode. I don't want to make this episode too short. Yeah, this goes down here. A little basement area. Yeah, this is going to be basically my basement area. Somehow light's getting through. And then over here, this is going to... This area is going to lead down to the to the areas where we've been, basically. Yeah, I don't care that I'm using this diamond pickaxe up, because whenever I go back to the extreme ant farm, I'm going to go get my diamond pick from there. So yeah, this will lead to my little mining area, this staircase here. We're going to make a few stone pressure plates for now. Even though we don't have the doors yet, I just like to be prepared. And then I'll have to add buttons here. The redstone here should not interfere with the redstone there should not interfere with the iron doors. And then here, I'm gonna actually add my chest room. Have chests between these lamps. I'll organize stuff off camera. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to get done this episode. There will be other chances to get nether brick around the map, like I said. I will get nether brick, mark my words. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.